to handle an urgent situation.
Those diabetic patients at the wellness seminar were amazing, because they taught me so many things that I didn't know about type 1 diabetes.
There were also a lot of tear-jerking stories. I cried so much.
You're obviously faking it now.
Hey, look! It seems like the guy is about to faint.
Let's go check on him. He is sweaty. Is he experiencing hypoglycemia?
Warning! It's hypoglycemia!
Find help sugar up!
Thank you, guys. I'm feeling much better now.
No problem. Be careful next time. Hypoglycemia is no joke.
Remember to tell your parents what just happened. Things can go wrong if it happens again.
See? I'm also an expert in type 1 diabetes now.
You did a great job just now, but less than perfect.
Are you just jealous of me?
You didn't use the 15-15 rule.
What is 15-15 rule?
First, you should use the 15-15 rule to deal with hypoglycemia. The first 15 refers to 15 grams of fast-release carbohydrates, such as teaspoons of white sugar, milliliters of Coke, pieces of hard candy.
I knew about that. That's why I gave him some Coke.
But the second 15 refers to waiting for 15 minutes to retest the blood sugar. If the blood sugar doesn't rise to 4.0 millimole per liter or above, repeat the 15-15 rule again.
Oh no! Why didn't you say so sooner?
A little too late now.
What should we do?
I did check on him before he left. He was fine.
Can you finish everything all at once?
Hee. After the blood sugar returns to normal, we have to think about what caused the hypoglycemia so as to avoid it next time.
Is that why you told him to tell his parents before he left?
Duh, type 1 diabetes expert.
Hey, stop teasing me. What can cause hypoglycemia other than exercise?
Oh, there are many causes, such as too much insulin, wrong type insulin injection, less food intake after rapid-acting insulin injection, or insulin sensitivity increasing. Alcohol and exercise may also cause hypoglycemia.
So many things need to pay attention to.
Yes, to handle different situations and know how many carbohydrates you should intake for hypoglycemia, you have to record blood sugar and treatment this time. Since we're talking about hypoglycemia, let me test you. What is another more common acute complication of diabetes?
I know. The seminar just mentioned it. It's diabetic ketoacidosis. The symptoms include sudden worsening of polyuria, polydipsia, polyphagia, and weight loss. In more severe cases, symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, fatigue, headache, rapid breathing, excessive sleep during the day, and other acidosis manifestations may occur. The most typical one is the smell of rotten apples in one's breath.
Seems like you were paying attention during the seminar. What should you do if it happens to you?
Don't try to trick me. I've paid attention at the seminar. This isn't a situation an ordinary individual can handle. If the aforementioned symptoms appear, one should be sent to the hospital in time.
Last question. What should you do to avoid diabetic ketoacidosis?
They didn't mention that during the seminar, right?
Yeah, they didn't. So, let me tell you. 1. Follow the insulin treatment plan to avoid inappropriate reduction of insulin doses or interruption of insulin treatment. 2. Keep monitoring blood sugar. Promptly deal with hyperglycemia. 3. Monitor urine or blood ketones regularly when you're sick. 4. Avoid exercise when the ketones level is high, otherwise it may continue to rise. 5. Sufficient water supplementation is very helpful in dealing with ketones.
So much knowledge about diabetes. Seems like I'm still far from being a real type 1 diabetes expert, and I have to learn more.
I have no doubt you'll be better than me if you keep learning.